Hello friends, welcome back to Mothermade channel. Friends, today I will show you how to remove stains of hair color or hair dye from your skin. Friends, whenever you are going to dye or color your hair, always remember to apply Vaseline petroleum jelly, or you can use any cream or any oil which suits your skin on your hairline, around your ears and neck to prevent staining. This prevents your hair color from staining your neck and face, so make sure you don't skip this step. In case you have forgotten to apply petroleum jelly, today I will share with you many tips which help to remove stains from your skin. All the tips are try and tested one. You can use any tip whichever suits your skin. The first tip is take a toothpaste, the paste which is white in color. Don't take gel one. Take the paste and apply on the stain. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 or 15 minutes, wash it with warm water. The color will fade away. If the stain is too stubborn, then repeat this process 2 or 3 times. It will definitely fade away. Now I am telling you the next tip. Take baking soda, which is normally called sodium bicarbonate. It is easily available in the grocery shops. Take a little baking soda, mix some water in it, make a paste, then apply on the stain. Leave it for 20 minutes. Then after drying, wash it with warm water, rubbing it gently. You can also mix some lemon juice in it or vinegar in it, whichever is available. For stubborn stain, you can repeat this process 2 or 3 times. After removing the stain, please apply some moisturizer which suits your skin, because baking soda makes skin dry. Now the third tip. Take some rubbing alcohol. It is available in the medical stores. Take some rubbing alcohol and apply on the stain. Then rub it in a circular motion. Then leave it for some time. Then again you can repeat this process. The stain will go away. For fourth tip, take some acetone. It is also available in the medical store. Take acetone on a cotton ball and apply on the stain. Rub it in a circular motion for some time. The stain will fade away. Next tip, take aftershave lotion. The same process. Take aftershave lotion on a cotton ball and rub it on the stain gently for some time. The stain will go away. Next tip, take makeup remover. Apply on the cotton ball or tissue paper and rub on the stain for some time. Repeat the process 2 or 3 times. The stain will go away. Then wash it with water. Next tip, take some ash. You can take cigarette ash also. Take ash, mix some water in it, make a paste and apply on the stain. Rub it gently on the stain for some time. Leave it for some time, then again add some water and ash and rub it on the stain for some time. The stain will go away. Then wash it with water. Then wipe the skin and apply some moisturizer. Next tip, take nail polish remover. Apply nail polish remover on the stain with the help of cotton ball. Rub it gently for some time. You can add some alcohol also in it. It is very effective for the skin of hands and it is a little harsh for face. Next tip, take hair remover lotion. Apply on the stain with the help of cotton ball. Rub it gently in a circular motion for some time. Repeat 2 or 3 times if the stain is very stubborn. This one is also a little harsh for face. Next tip, take hand sanitizer. It is also very effective for removing stains. Apply hand sanitizer on the stain and rub it gently. For stubborn stains, repeat it 2 or 3 times. So friends, try the tips whichever suits your skin. Sometimes the stains are too stubborn. They fade away very gradually. So repeat the process 2 or 3 times. Friends, remember that after removing the stain, always moisturize your skin. You can use any oil which suits your skin or you can apply any cream or any moisturizer. Otherwise, your skin will become dry. So friends, try them. If you have any queries, you can write down in the comment box. Friends, if you like my video, please click the like button to motivate me and share my video with all your friends and relatives. And friends, subscribe my channel. Press the subscribe button. After pressing the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon there. Please press the bell icon. After pressing the bell icon, you will see 3 options on the screen. Please press the all button which is on the top. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will receive notification of my new video whenever I make a new video in future. So please press the all button. Now friends, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Be happy.